Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we go further, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for our upcoming videos. Guys, do you know that 57 countries give visa-free access to Indian passport holders? Yes, this is true. Indian passport ranked at 80th place, Singapore's most powerful with visa-free travel to 192 countries. Global Citizenship and Residence Advisory Company Henley Partners has ranked Indian passport at 80th place with visa-free access to 57 countries. Let's start. The list of countries giving on-arrival visa to Indians. Oceania, Cook Islands, Fiji, Marshall Islands, Micronesia, Niue, Palau Islands, Samoa, Tuvalu, Vanuatu, Middle East, Iran, Jordan, Oman, Qatar, Caribbean, Barbados, British Virgin Islands, Dominica, Grenada, Haiti, Jamaica, Montserrat, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, Asia, Bhutan, Cambodia, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Laos, Macau, SAR China, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Timor-Leste, Americas, Bolivia, El Salvador, Africa, Burundi, Cape Verde Islands, Comoro Islands, Djibouti, Gabon, Guinea-Bissau, Madagascar, Mauritania, Mauritius, Mozambique, Rwanda, Senegal, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Somalia, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Zimbabwe. The strength of Indian passport moved up from 87th place in 2022 to 80th in 2023, giving its holders a visa-free access to 57 countries, the latest report put out by Henley Partners showed. The Henley Passport Index rankings are based on the number of destinations their holders can access without a prior visa, largely based on data from the International Air Transport Association, IATA. At 80th, the other two countries along with India are Senegal and Togo. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.